Hey, is this thing on? Hi, I'm Harley. Today I'm going to put on some makeup. It's going to look like this. First, I'm using a priming moisturizer, because who has time to be wasting putting on 5 layers of makeup before you get out the door? People, they say to me, Harley, you sick of something? And I say, no, this is my look. You got to start with foundation at least 2 shades lighter. Ultimately, you want to look a bit like a ghost. How else would people know I'm coming? How else would they know to be scared? You know what I mean? Now I'm going to use this concealer under the eyes. You got to use the peach to cover the purple. Don't want to look like I have a black eye unless I have a black eye. You know what I mean? Now I'm just going to take a little of this primer, put it on the eyelids. I want to put sparkles on my eyes and I want them to stay. Now I'm going to set all this with a translucent powder. This one doesn't have any color. Now I want to set everything on my face using this white powder. This is the real stuff. You just want to use a real fluffy brush. Today we're going for Ghost. Ghosts scare people. It's a good look. Wouldn't want anyone to confuse me with Wonder Woman. Gonna use a little spray, let it all sink in. Now for the brows. We use this brown pencil, make it look like little hairs, little baby hairs. Needs to be nice and dark. Might look a little scary, we don't want it quite that scary. We want to look naturally scary. Moving on to the eyes, I want a nice wash of color with this one. Going straight back to the 90s. Now I want something a little dark, so I'll use a nice dark gray. Put it right in the corners. Get that brush right in there, smush it around. And then put a little more on. And smush it around again. That's the stuff. Once you got a nice bit of gray, you want to move on to the glitter. For this part, you don't need any brushes. Just use your finger. You want some glitter right there in the center of the eye, so everyone can see how pretty your eyes are. Now I do a little gray under the eyes, just a little. And a little white powder right in the center. Today I've got some eyeliner. This one is by a guy named Marc Jacobs. You ever wonder who Marc Jacobs is or any of these people? You gotta get it right up in there next to your eye. Once more, we make a creepy face and just kinda get it right up in there. Now you take all that and you smudge it out. You want to look like you just woke up. It's better if it isn't perfect. Moving on to mascara. This one's called Perversion. I think it's my kind of mascara. I like a nice fluffy brush. Some people, they don't like the clumps, but I like the clumps. I say make it messy. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to give a lower one some love. Another signature Harley is the red lip. Today I want to go for extra drama, so we're going to outline a little in black. Then just brush it all out. Then go in with the lip liner, make it all red. Now I go in with a red lipstick, smear it all over. Don't be shy. You want it to be nice, deep blood red. Now I want to add a pop of color. Just going to use a little of this white powder in the middle. For some reason my tattoos didn't show up today. I didn't tell them they could have the day off. So today I'm going to draw them on. Just going to make it a little hot. Perfect. And now for Rotten. And that, my friends, is Signature Harley. Gotta run.